Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. What we have out here is a short 4-foot tall section inside the I guess crawl space portion of this basement. It's a full-size basement that's had previous work done, but this 4-foot tall section here was leaning inward. So what we had to do was come in here with our King Piers methodology on straightening the wall with 6x6 treated wood support posts and 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks. And after slightly raising the floor joists off the top of that wall, we were able to push this 4-foot tall back foundation wall back to its correct vertical position. As you can see here, we've already finished up with the installation of our wall braces. And again, we always like to point out how King Piers secures our wall braces in compared to other foundation companies. And this is going to be a good video right here, because we do all of ours using nice new treated wood, 6x6 treated wood support posts bolted to the side of the existing joist. That is not going to cause damage to the joist, which is holding up the main floor of this house. Now we're going to go over here where you can see another foundation company and how they secure their wall braces to the floor joist. So whereas we only have to do ours on the 2 joists on either side of one of our beams, these people have decided to not only bolt into the bottom end of the floor joist, but they've decided to do it on multiple floor joists. What happens, and why we always like to video how we do our wall bracing, is that when you do something like this on the bottom ends of this joist, that can cause that to split in the future. That's why everything King Piers does is engineering sound. We don't want to cause further damage to your house. We're here to help it, here to fix it, get it back to where it's structurally sound. So this is a proper way to secure the upper end of a wall brace into the joist. This is not okay. It's a flimsy piece of metal, and it's ultimately not going to likely help these joists to not split in the future. So really, this is about as good of a good work versus shoddy work as I can detail. But these braces, they are concreted in on top of the footing. So we've just got everything backfilled inside the crawl space, and now we're just going to head outside, backfill the little trench that we have there, and this project will be complete. So King Piers out here in Prairie Village. Give us a call if you have any kind of foundation issues, drainage issues. We do it all. If it can be done in or around or to an existing foundation, stone, concrete, block, you name it, we've likely done it. And that's King Piers. If you just search for King Piers LLC on YouTube, Facebook, you'll find all our videos there of current and past projects. You can check us out on our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.